In a reimagined world where giant spiders 1,000 times the size of humans suddenly attacked Earth, chaos erupted across the planet. The spiders, with their enormous legs and deadly venom, tore through cities and forests, causing unprecedented destruction and death. Humans rallied with advanced technology, using drones, tanks, and even nuclear weapons in a desperate fight for survival. But the spiders' resilience and size made victory seem distant. Despite the massive death toll of over 10 million humans and the collapse of many civilizations, humanity's ingenuity and unity kept hope alive in the battle against these monstrous invaders. In a reimagined world where giant rabbits, 1,000 times the size of humans, suddenly appeared, chaos erupted as these monstrous creatures began attacking major cities across the globe. The initial shockwave of their arrival caused massive destruction, with an estimated death toll of over 10 million people and countless civilians displaced and injured. In the battle between humans and these colossal rabbits, advanced military technology and aerial warfare were deployed, but the rabbits' immense size and strength made them nearly unstoppable, leading to widespread devastation of infrastructure and civilization. Despite humanity's relentless efforts, the giant rabbits continued their rampage, ultimately forcing humans to retreat. And in this dark new era, the question remains, who would win in this war and why? In a reimagined world where giant ladybugs 1,000 times the size of humans suddenly attacked Earth, chaos erupted instantly. The sky darkened with swarms of colossal insects, their wings blotting out the sun and casting monstrous shadows over cities below. Humans scrambled for safety, but the size and ferocity of the ladybugs made conventional weapons almost useless in the initial onslaught. Within days, entire civilizations faced devastating damage, with millions losing their homes and countless lives lost in panicked evacuations. The death toll skyrocketed to over 50 million as towns and metropolises were pulverized under the relentless insect onslaught. Military forces deployed everything from jets to nuclear strikes, yet the giant ladybugs proved remarkably resilient, shrugging off explosions and gunfire alike. Despite the chaos, humans adapted quickly, developing new technology in attempts to combat the winged giants. Bioweapons, giant net traps, and laser-guided missiles. After months of brutal warfare, the tide began to turn as specialized defense units managed to target the insects' weak spots, leading to a massive counterattack. In the climax of this colossal war, humans, equipped with ingenuity and resilience, ultimately managed to drive the ladybugs back, though at a tremendous cost to civilization and countless lives.